again. Let's talk about Mrs. Tesla or Tesla. What's going on here? So, as you guys can see, Tesla is divided in two halves. One it's the buying half, and one is the selling half. If you're short, you can use the green as a resistance. If you are buying, you can use the red as support. Okay, so let's start with always the RSI. Was a little oversold, and then on a daily, and now it's a little, we expect a little correction, right? On a weekly, there's potential for either correction or up. On a monthly, it's in the middle of the way. But on a daily, in 1 hour, look on the 1 hour who sold it here. Little, almost hit it, guys. I usually miss by a couple of pennies. Who sold it here? Did beautiful, right? Sold here. RSI was very high, 84 on a 1 hour chart. I use Webull. I also post a link for you guys to get free shares with them. They're the best for web, platform and charts. I really like how they work. You can also place trades and everything else here. Okay, so Tesla on a daily. Let me just put on a weekly. Yeah, there we go. So Tesla was in a high trend line. It lost it. It created this short trend line. There we go. Okay. Hard trend line. Once they lose the support, correction. Boom, 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 boom. They lose the bottom. This is the very strong. This is the main trend line, high trend line with Tesla. So of course, every time we're gonna touch here, it's gonna go up. Look how many times. I draw this a couple of days ago. Touch here, went up, touch here again. So even if it was years ago, see, touch here, up, boom, explosion, right? I do think that we are resting. We're trying to break here. We couldn't because there's a very strong resistance on a weekly here. So 199 is the first target. Once we break, the next target will definitely be 235 or this line. So if it takes a while to hit it here, either or, okay? If we break these, then next one, this one, next one, this one, next one, this one, then this one. Very clear. So if you are holding Tesla for long term, I wouldn't worry until we hit those areas here. For the short term, it's almost at a buying point. Here. This is one. Let's put it like this. You buy 10% here, 20% here, 30% here, 50% here. Going up, you sell. 20% here, 30% here, 100% here. Very simple, very easy. Good luck for everybody, and please like and subscribe so we can keep making those channels for you guys. Of course, I think overall all Tesla has potential. There's gaps. Let me see if there's an open gap here that we are. This one's closed. There's an open gap here. That's not good. And there's an open gap here. So if I was buying, I would go 170 and then 20% 170, then 100% here at 145 on this gap when we close this gap. Of course, this is me. This is not a recommendation to buy or sell. I'm not a financial analyst. You should seek one. This is just my personal analysis, and it has been very accurate. E-booking sometimes can be a little annoying to get those here. Okay, we are in this low trend line now, so the goal is hit the top here and then correction or break it. Good luck, guys. Thank you.